Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best controllers for PCs. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 controllers for PCs, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. PlayStation DualSense. The Sony DualSense, the controller for the PlayStation 5, is an outstanding evolution of the company's past DualShock controllers. Its long handles situate your hands perfectly to use its symmetrical analog sticks. The buttons and D-pad both offer a tight response. It has a host of cool new features, including haptics that mirror tactile effects and resistive triggers that tense up to mimic the feeling of a bow or gun trigger tightening. It's the best PlayStation controller and the one I'd use if I wanted a gamepad with a PlayStation-style layout for my PC. The magic of using the DualSense on PS5 becomes a drawback on PC. Technically, the DualSense is fully functional on PC, but very few games support its special features there, even when they have DualSense features on PS5. The features around wireless connectivity fall short of the Xbox controllers. It only connects wirelessly via Bluetooth, which can lead to lag issues. Number 2. Xbox Elite Series 2. The Xbox Elite Series 2, our pick for the best Xbox controller for PC, is the kitchen sink of controllers. Microsoft's pricey, feature-rich version of the Xbox One gamepad is almost every luxury option you can find in a third-party controller, including 4 removable paddles that can be mapped to mimic any controller input, alternate analog stick, and D-pads that you can pull off and swap on the fly, and a wireless charging dock, because it has an internal battery, which means no more AAs. You can also remap the controller's buttons and fine-tune certain inputs using the Xbox Accessories app. The Elite Series 2 is very expensive, but it's also the best version of the controller. It may not be for everyone, given the price, but it's a worthwhile luxury for players who want the best of the best. Number 3. Microsoft Xbox. The Xbox controller has been the default gamepad for PC since the Xbox 360 era, before manufacturers cared to streamline their controller's compatibility on PC. Despite the fact that you can choose any option, the Xbox wireless controller still feels like the best controller for PC overall. Its well-balanced weight, wide grips, and offset analog sticks guide your hands into a comfortable grip. Its buttons feel snappy, and its D-pad has a tactile clickiness to it. For wireless users, the Xbox line of controllers gets 2.4 GHz wireless support via the optional Xbox wireless adapter. But the real secret for the core Xbox controller is the price. The Xbox Series X/S version of the controller is cheaper than most of the other options on this list, including the DualSense. If you go for an Xbox One controller, which is almost identical, you can often shave down the price even more. Number 4. PowerA Enhanced. When I was growing up, third-party controllers were, rightfully, treated as inferior knockoffs compared to the official gamepads made by the console manufacturers. In the last 10 years, things have changed. There are lots of premium third-party controllers, but the cheap stuff is still around for kids and parents who need an extra controller. Regardless of why, if you're looking for the best budget controller for a PC, the PowerA Enhanced wired controller is a good choice. It's significantly cheaper than the Xbox wireless controller. The buttons, sticks, D-pad, and faceplate all feel like they're made of a cheaper caliber of plastic than a premium controller. Despite that, though, it's durable and feels good to play with. Plus, it features a toggle for controlling the audio on a 3.5mm headset if you plug one in, and 2 customizable rear buttons. It isn't my favorite controller, but it's the best you can do. Number 5. 8-Bit Do Pro 2. The 8-Bit Do Pro 2 is a great controller for the Nintendo faithful. While it features a modern shape and special features Nintendo would never put on a controller, it features the old-school Nintendo button layout, features a NES-style D-pad, and comes in an SNES-style finish. On PC, it features an ultimate configuration app that allows you to fine-tune the controller's feel, remap buttons, and even create macros, custom button combinations, that you can assign to a single button. While it isn't without flaws, if you're hunting for a controller to use on Switch and PC, the 8-Bit Do Pro 2 offers a lot of customization at a stellar price. About this item. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, Mac OS, and Apple TV Now. Officially supported, compatible with Apple, Switch, PC, Android, Steam Deck, and Raspberry Pi. Ultimate software is now on PC, Android, and iOS. wireless Bluetooth, rumble vibration, motion controls, USB-C, 20-hour rechargeable battery. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.